the Education Department, where we have decided to recommend to the committee headed by the Chief Minister that the schools and college could be open from the 1st of September 2021. Our recommendation will be like this. For the college, both urban and rural, they will open, all will be open. For class 9, 10, 11, and 12, both urban and rural, they can open. 6, 7, 8 for urban, school visit, and for rural, they can open. And for the class 1 to class 5, for urban, we'll continue the system of online like this. But for the rural area, they can start with the school visit. So this we have decided to recommend to the committee for its approval that from the 1st of September will open. Then all the modalities will be given after the approval of the High Power Committee. Mende kajiya song jongi hapo ka Department of Education. Hawanya pe ikijulong jingman jong kaneka state ke jongi. Baka jidunong jongki kena pule tinggal shim ya karai. Ba ngin recommend po ka High Power Committee ke balakhe of Chief Minister ba yaki school baki college anla ban play nado ka strict o September arhajar arhuwe hakaba yaki college bat urban bat rural kila ban play bero ki namta ki class 9, 10, 11, 12 urban and rural kila ban play namta ki 8, 9, 10 6, 7, 8 rural kila ban play baro bat kini ki hasar pat kinle tangka school visit da class 1 to 5 rural kila ban play school visit ban leisure school handre yakini ki urban pat ka online kan dangjat hi ta kane kade ka haka nilarai haka meeting hapo objection ba ngin recommend syaka committee balakhle do Chief Minister